As a fleet owner, how do you know when a vehicle in the field might need urgent repair or maintenance? And which vehicle needs servicing? AutoWiz Fleet Management Solution can help you with remote fleet health monitoring and efficient fleet maintenance. AutoWiz OBD device connects to the vehicle's internal CAN network. And the live health dashboard shows real-time alerts for low battery, high coolant temperature, and engine diagnostics. A daily review of the vehicle health dashboard can help you decide if a vehicle needs urgent maintenance. You can also identify systemic issues with your fleet. Every month AutoWiz generates a comprehensive report of the vehicle's condition in terms of power, performance, and maintenance parameters. You can identify early warnings and schedule maintenance based on the report. AutoWiz also offers a comprehensive, Preventive Maintenance Schedule Management Module. You can see which service is due, based on the current odometer reading or time since the last service, in the vehicle maintenance dashboard. You can preset and customize the maintenance schedule for each vehicle. Log each vehicle service record into our fleet maintenance module after every servicing task. And fetch servicing history and costs from our service management module later. No more Excel sheets, guesswork or anticipation. Experience hassle-free fleet maintenance with AutoWiz. Contact us for a free trial.